XEmpire airdrop listing date nears. Connect your wallet and earn tokens. XEmpire, a popular tap-to-earn game on Telegram, is gearing up for an exciting airdrop event with features like the XEmpire YouTube code, XEmpire Riddle of the Day, and XEmpire Investment Today to earn more XEmpire coins. Players now have a chance to earn even more through the upcoming XEmpire airdrop. With over 12.5 million users set to receive free tokens, this event will allow participants to enhance their in-game experience or trade tokens in the future. To participate, players need to connect their wallets and meet the XEmpire airdrop criteria. A detailed XEmpire video guide is available to help users connect their wallets and seamlessly claim rewards. XEmpire preparing for upcoming airdrop and listing. After numerous anticipated dates and speculations, XEmpire, formerly known as xKuCoin, has finally provided details about its upcoming airdrop. Also preparing for XEmpire listing on major exchanges. The team has hinted at the XEmpire airdrop listing date and shared the process of connecting wallets for claiming rewards. The airdrop will distribute tokens to millions of active players who have participated in the game. This move not only rewards user engagement, but also strengthens the crypto-based economy of XEmpire. The airdrop tokens can be held, traded, or used within the XEmpire ecosystem, adding value to players' in-game achievements and future trading potential. The XEmpire airdrop has become one of the most anticipated events in the crypto gaming space, offering users a chance to claim $XEMP tokens. With the growing popularity of the XEmpire coin and its community, especially on Telegram, it's crucial for users to know how to qualify and maximize their chances in this airdrop. Here's everything you need to know to ensure you're ready to claim your share of the XEmpire airdrop. What is XEmpire and why the hype? XEmpire is a blockchain-based project making waves in the decentralized finance (DeFi) world. It is designed to empower users by offering a seamless platform for trading, staking, and governance, with a keen focus on community engagement. The XEmpire coin is the native token, offering users access to platform utilities and rewards, while the XEmpire airdrop is the project's way of rewarding early adopters and community supporters. How to qualify for the XEmpire airdrop? Participating in the XEmpire airdrop requires fulfilling specific criteria. Here's how you can qualify. Join the official Telegram group. Since the XEmpire community is highly active on Telegram, joining their official group is crucial. The airdrop process might begin with tasks in the group, so keep an eye on announcements about the XEmpire airdrop. Search for the phrase, "What is XEmpire?" on Telegram to find direct links to the community. Complete KYC, know your customers. Some airdrops, including the XEmpire airdrop, may require participants to complete a KYC process to ensure transparency and avoid fraudulent activities. Hold a minimum balance of XEmpire coin. Holding a specific number of XEmpire coins in your wallet may increase your chances of receiving the airdrop. Details about the exact requirements will be shared on their official channels. Engage with the ecosystem. Whether it's staking, trading, or governance participation, being active within the XEmpire ecosystem may grant you additional benefits. Currently, there are a lot of games running on the platform, from XEmpire daily combos to riddles and rebus. Try to complete those as well regularly. Steps to claim your $XEMP airdrop. Once you've qualified, claiming your airdrop is relatively straightforward. Follow these steps. Monitor official announcements. Stay updated on the XEmpire coin platform or their official Telegram for the official airdrop release date and distribution details. Connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet is linked to the XEmpire platform. You may need to provide wallet details to ensure a smooth token drop. Ensure that you're using a wallet that supports ERC20 tokens, as XEMP will likely be distributed through Ethereum. Claim via platform. After the announcement, the airdrop process will typically have a claim button on the official website. Click on this and ensure all details are correct before claiming your $XEMP tokens. Check for listing dates. Once you've claimed the tokens, monitor the XEmpire coin price as the token gets listed on popular exchanges. This will give you a good idea of whether to trade or hold your airdrop tokens. XEmpire release date and listing date. The release and listing dates for XEmpire coin are highly anticipated, and some sources suggest that the XEmpire airdrop might happen sometime around October 15, 2024. Stay informed through official XEmpire channels, including Telegram, where listing and release dates will be shared. How to claim rewards. To claim your rewards, you'll need to connect a crypto wallet to XEmpire through the game's Telegram bot. An XEmpire video guide has been provided, outlining how to link your internal Telegram wallet to XEmpire, make a test transaction, and claim your airdrop. Users can create a wallet using their email or a seed phrase. Wallet funding options include bank cards, peer-to-peer, P2P, transfers, or transferring funds from other wallets. Identity verification is also required, with different levels offering varying transaction limits. After completing these steps, users can make a test transaction and claim their XEmpire airdrop reward.